Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you Odonil blocks review. This one is Jasmine mint fragrance and this block is 48 grams, will cost you rupees 58. Pack says that this will last for 30 days. We will actually see if it lasts for 30 days or not. It is available in 4 different fragrances and this product is from Dabur. Remove the outer pack and here you see this foil packaging now. Cut the foil pouch. Now we have this square shaped Odonil block. It's pure white in color and the fragrance is fresh jasmine, but it's on mild side. Eventually this block will evaporate. You can see these 3 holes in the paper pack, front and back. From there the fragrance will come out. Now place the block back in the pack. Here you see this circle now. This is to hang it conveniently or you can place it simply. I feel that it won't make much difference in the washroom. It's ideal for small, compact, locked spaces like cupboard, shoe rack, almirah or your handbag. Now let's see how many days it actually lasts. On the day 1, the block was full square. On the day 11, block is almost half. And on the 21st day, it's only this much. So I think it will last for the remaining 9 days. So longevity, it's full on. It lasts for 30 days. If we compare these blocks with the gel pockets now, they last for only a week, but the fragrance very strong, works perfectly for washroom. But this one, the fragrance is so mild, it's not very useful for washrooms. At times, so fragrance overpower this Odonil blocks fragrance. Overall, it's a value for money product because it lasts for 30 days as they claim. Fragrance is mild, but it's nice. So give it a try and subscribe for more videos.